How to set up the Sactionals Reclining Seat. Your reclining seat will arrive in two boxes, one for the mechanism set and the other for the seat insert set. Start by opening the box for the reclining seat mechanism. The setup instructions are inside so you can follow along. The first box contains the backrest, power cord, remote, reclining mechanism, 2 footrest extensions for standard depth seating, and 4 frame support bars. Next, open the seat insert box and remove the contents. Inside, you'll find the seat cushion, shoe, thumb screw, 9 felt pads, reclining seat clamp, 4 feet, seat frame lid, back pillow, and reclining seat frame. Get started by covering all your Sactionals inserts except for the footrest. Your reclining seat cushion insert and cover are different from other Sactionals seat cushions and covers. They're labeled for easy identification. Now, onto the reclining seat frame. It will arrive pre-configured in either the standard or deep seating depth based on the seat type you purchased. Tilt the frame up and screw in the 4 feet. If you're going to be placing the reclining seat on a hard floor, add the felt pads to the 3 reclining seat frame posts, as well as the bottom of the shoe. Now, lay all your shoes out, approximating their location for your desired configuration. Then, lay the power cord between the shoes so that one end is where you plan to place your reclining seat and the other is plugged into an outlet. Place any other seat frames that are not reclining seats into the shoes. Then, all the sides, excluding the ones that will be connected to the reclining seat. Insert the reclining seat frame into the 4 shoes, starting with the left half. Place the right half of the frame over the left half, aligning the notch so you can see either S for standard depth or D for deep seating. Straighten the shoes based on the alignment marks, and place the side into the shoes behind the seat frame. Next, locate the reclining seat clamp. You can distinguish it from the other clamps by the hole in the side. Insert the clamp so it holds the reclining seat frame and the side together. Then, place the thumb screw into the hole in the clamp and screw it in. After, you can insert all the remaining sides and clamp everything into place. But do not clamp one reclining seat to another reclining seat. Now, let's move on to the reclining seat mechanism. Use the teal handle to roll the mechanism to the opening of the seat frame, but not all the way in. Locate the power cord you laid out at the back of the seat frame and plug it into the back of the mechanism. Ensure that any cables or cords aren't pinched. Then, use the teal handle again. Wheel the mechanism all the way into the seat frame, guiding the notches at the front into the grooves in the reclining seat frame. Next, locate the reclining seat support bars and place them into the frame. Where you place them will depend on if your reclining seat is set for a standard or deep configuration. If your reclining seat is in a deep configuration, you won't need the 2 footrest extensions. Those can be stored vertically between the reclining seat frame and the support bars for future use. Now, slide the seat frame lid onto the metal hooks on the mechanism and press the front of the seat frame lid down to lock it into place. Pull up on the lid to ensure it's fully secured. With the backrest facing forward, insert it into the holes at the back of the seat frame lid. Place the reclining seat cushion into place and add the back pillow. Now, use the remote to extend the footrest. If you have your reclining seat in a standard depth setup, slide the footrest extensions into the slots on the back of the footrest. Whether your reclining seat is in a standard or deep configuration, locate the corresponding footrest cover. Wrap the cover around the footrest and apply the Velcro evenly along the seams. Use the remote to retract the footrest. Every few months, or if you notice the LED light bar flashing red, use the USB-C port on the remote to keep it charged. It's compatible with any household USB-C charger. Your remote will arrive already paired to your reclining seat, but if it becomes unpaired, unplug the mechanism for 30 seconds. Then, hold both remote buttons down for 5 seconds to put it into pairing mode. Now, plug the mechanism back in. The LED bar should begin flashing teal. When pairing is complete, test the remote by extending the footrest. And that's it! Your reclining seat setup is complete. Now you get to enjoy the comfort and relaxation of a recliner with the endless adaptability of Sactionals. How to reconfigure your Sactionals reclining seat for standard and deep setups. Your reclining seat frame will arrive pre-configured in either standard or deep based on the seat type you purchased, but it can be reconfigured, allowing you additional flexibility within your Sactionals setup. Start by extending the footrest with the remote, removing the footrest cover. And, if you're going from standard to a deep setup, sliding out the footrest extensions. Then, retract the footrest with the remote. Next, unplug the reclining seat from the power source for safe disassembly. Remove the back pillow, seat cushion, and backrest. Then turn the lock at the front of the seat frame lid and lift up to remove it. If you're going from a deep to standard setup, remove the footrest extensions from the seat frame and set them aside for later use. Then, remove the frame support bars and set those off to the side as well. Lift the handle on the front of the mechanism to unhook it from the seat frame. Wheel it out slightly and disconnect the power cord from the back of the reclining seat mechanism. Then, wheel the mechanism off to the side and out of the way. Now, unscrew the thumb screw and remove the clamp. Lift the side that's behind the reclining seat out of the shoes and set it off to the side. On the reclining seat frame, unhook the latch on the right side of the seat frame and use the loop to pull the piece straight up. Then, set it off to the side. On the back piece, use the loop and lift straight up as well. Repeat these steps on the left side of the frame. Continue to adjust all Sactionals shoes, seats, and sides for a new Sactionals configuration. Reassemble the reclining seat frame by sliding the front left piece over the back left, aligning the seat frame cutout with either S or D for standard or deep. Latch and secure the teal latch. Repeat these steps for the right side of the frame, aligning the cutout and latching to secure. Run the power cord and assemble your Sactional seats and sides, leaving an empty space for the reclining seat. Place the left side of the frame into the shoes in your configuration. Then slide the right side over the left side and into the shoes, again aligning the cutout with S or D. Insert the side behind the reclining seat frame. Place the clamp and screw in the thumb screw. Lift the reclining seat mechanism using the teal handle and wheel it partially into the opening of the seat frame. Connect the power cord to the back of the mechanism and lift the teal handle to slide the mechanism fully into the seat frame, aligning with the grooves at the front of the frame. Add the support bars into the frame and, if you're going from standard to deep, store the footrest extensions vertically between the support bars and seat frame. Then, lock the lid into place. Insert the backrest and place the seat cushion and back pillow. Now, using the remote, extend the footrest. If you're going from deep to standard, insert the footrest extensions into the slots on the back of the footrest. Next, locate the footrest cover that goes with your new setup, either standard or deep. Align the footrest cover and attach the Velcro evenly. Retract the footrest and you're done. You've now reconfigured your reclining seat, giving you even more flexibility within your Sactional setup.